Okay, what we want to do here is we want to manipulate this particular person in the back, the mother, so that she puts her hand on her daughter's shoulder, okay, from the back. Now, how do we do that? It's a good question. Let's go ahead and do this. First of all, we're going to go ahead and animate, click her. We're going to go ahead and animate it. Bring the timeline up just a little bit. Let's go ahead and click the K key, which brings up the motion key editor. Let's go ahead and bring that arm up. Okay, slide it down just a little further. We're going to go ahead and put that arm on the shoulder, just like that. Okay, so we animate it, it's still behind it. How do we get it in front? Glad you asked that question. Let's go ahead and close the key editor. If we make a duplicate, the one in the front will do exactly the same thing as the one in the back. Let's go ahead and do this. Click it. You go ahead and bring the one in the front forward till it's just in front. Just like that. Okay, then we open up our Sprite editor. Open up our Sprite editor, and we want to make sure we have the right one. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and delete everything that's in front. Let's go ahead and delete this arm. Bye-bye. And that hand. Get rid of everything. You do also want to delete the face too, because we're going to animate the face too. Okay, good deal. Let's take this on, just get rid of that arm, that leg there. That part of the leg. Okay, let's get rid of all of that. Now we need to get rid of this part of the arm and this part of the arm. Now, when we animate it, she puts her arm on her shoulder. Okay, it's just as simple as that. Now, of course, then you can go ahead and animate her looking left and right and those kinds of things, and with the face editor, and give her more emotion. Okay, this will look good on a great background. That's how you do it. It's just that simple. Just a few easy steps, and now you have her with her arm on her shoulder from the front. So this is basically a copy of the one that was original from the back. All we did was just bring it forward and manipulate it just a little bit. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this and got something out of it. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.